What if I told you that spending less money could actually get you a more reliable car? That the cheapest vehicles on the market right now are outlasting luxury cars that cost 5 times more? And that reliability has nothing to do with price tags anymore? But before we dive in, if you want the truth about cars, real numbers, and secrets dealerships don't want you to know, hit that subscribe button right now. We're not here to sell dreams. We're here to save you money. Every video we drop is packed with research and insights that could save you thousands. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's find you a car that actually works. Welcome back. Today we're answering the question everyone's asking: what are the cheapest cars you can buy in 2026 that simply refuse to break down? Here's the thing. The automotive world changed dramatically over the past 5 years. We went through a pandemic, chip shortage, supply chain chaos, inflation hitting record levels. But through all that madness, some cars just kept going. Segment 6. Some manufacturers kept building vehicles that don't care about economic chaos. They just work. And here's what's crazy. Some of the cheapest cars are now more reliable than luxury vehicles from the same period. Why? Because simple engineering works. Fewer features means fewer things to break. Let's start with number 1 on the reliability charts year after year, the Honda Civic. The 2021 Civic was the end of the 10th generation. You could find base models for around $22,000 new. Today, a used 2021 Civic with 50,000 miles runs you around $16,000 to $18,000. Reliability? Absolutely flawless. The 2022 Civic arrived. All new 11th generation. Beautiful design, great interior. Price went up to $24,000. And reliability? Even better than 2021. Honda delivered a near-perfect compact car. But here's the competitor eating Honda's lunch, the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is the cockroach of cars. It just will not die. 2021 started around $20,000 new. Same price as Civic, maybe cheaper. And reliability? Flawless. Uses a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engine, traditional automatic, basically no fancy tech. It's a car from 2010 with a 2021 body. That's exactly why it's so reliable. Between Civic and Corolla, which is cheaper to own? The Corolla, slightly. Parts are everywhere and labor is cheap. Any mechanic can work on a Corolla. Use 2021 Corolla with 50,000 miles. Around $15,000 to $17,000. But the Civic is more fun to drive. Now, the dark horse, the Mazda 3. Doesn't get enough credit. 2021 to 2026 models are gorgeous, fun to drive, incredibly reliable. Same price as Civic and Corolla. A 2021 Mazda 3 runs you around $14,000 to $16,000 with 50,000 miles. That's cheaper than comparable Civic or Corolla because Mazda doesn't have the same brand recognition. Which means better value. Segment 15. Let's go even cheaper. The Nissan Versa. King of cheap reliability. 2021 to 2026 uses a simple 1.6-liter engine and a CVT that's actually reliable. Starting price 2021 was $14,000. By 2026, $20,000. Is it exciting? No. Luxurious? Absolutely not. Will it get you from A to B for the next 10 years without drama? Yes. Used 2021 Versas are around $11,000 to $13,000. That's insane value. The wild card, Mitsubishi Mirage. Internet hates it. Slow, cheap, basic. But also bulletproof. 1.2-liter 3-cylinder, 78 horsepower. Gets 40 miles per gallon. Dead simple. Just doesn't break. Mitsubishi has a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Used 2021 Mirages are around $9,000 to $11,000. That's the cheapest reliable car you can buy in America right now. Now let's talk SUVs because everyone wants an SUV. Cheapest reliable compact SUV, Mazda CX-30. Launched 2020, solid data on 2021 to 2026 models. Starting price 2021 was $22,000. By 2026, around 27,000. Reliability? Excellent. Same engineering as Mazda 3, just taller. Uses same 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, same 6-speed automatic, Mazda's excellent build quality. Problems are rare. Used 2021 CX-30s are 17 to 19,000. The mainstream choice. Honda HR-V got complete redesign for 2023. The 2021 to 2022 models were previous generation. Old HR-V was reliable, practical, affordable, around 22,000. New 2023 to 2026 HR-V is even better. More space, better tech, same Honda reliability. Starting price around 25,000. Used 2021 to 2022 HR versus around 18 to 20,000. Used 2023s are 22 to 24,000. Here's what's changed from 5 years ago. Prices are up, but reliability improved for most budget brands. Hyundai and Kia stepped up massively. Mazda became the value king. Honda and Toyota remain gold standards. Simple engineering still wins. The biggest surprise, cheapest cars are now more reliable than luxury vehicles from the same period. A 2021 Nissan Versa has fewer problems than a 2021 BMW 3 Series. Let that sink in. So the cheapest new cars in 2026. Number 5, Mazda 3 Sedan, 25,000. Number 4, Honda Civic, 26,000. Number 3, Toyota Corolla, 24,000. Number 2, Hyundai Venue, 22,000. Number 1, Nissan Versa, 20,000. The cheapest reliable new car in America for 2026. But if you're buying used, here's the sweet spot, 2021 to 2022 models. Depreciation already happened. You're buying at the bottom of the curve. Best value? 2021 Mazda 3 for 15 to 17,000. Most reliable? 2023 Toyota Corolla for 18 to 20,000. Best budget option? 2021 Nissan Versa for 11 to 13,000. Need fun? 2022 Honda Civic for 19 to 21,000. Need an SUV? 2021 Mazda CX-30 for 17 to 19,000. So that's the truth. The cheapest cars that never break down in 2026. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment telling me which car you're buying. Buy smart. Buy reliable. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.